Good morning. This is call number 2020-42891 in the interest of Jonathan Calderon. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, man. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Anna Ruth Perez. I am the mother of Jonathan.
All right, representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma.
Court note that the non-custodial parent is Nelson Guillermo Calderon. Mr. Calderon was personally served on June 17th, 2022 at 9:12 a.m. at 1730 Laurie Lane in Channelview, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, I'd like to call the mother, Miss Anna Perez.
All right.
Miss Perez, are you currently married?
Yes.
And who are you married to?
To Samuel Eliseo Hernandez Ayala.
But he is not the father of your child, is that correct? Of
No.
Jonathan? And
No.
who's Jonathan's father?
His father is Nelson Guillermo Calderon.
And did Mr. Calderon sign an acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes, he signed a birth certificate.
And when was Jonathan born?
He was born August 29, 2016.
And when did you get married to your current husband?
April 1st, 2021.
Okay, and are you asking the court to name Nelson Calderon as the father of your child?
Yes, he's the father.
And are you asking the court to appoint both you and Mr. Calderon as joint conservators over Jonathan?
Yes.
And does Jonathan currently live with you?
Yes.
And do you intend to maintain your residence in Harris or any surrounding counties?
Like stay here?
Yeah, do you plan to, you're asking the court to order that you maintain the child's residence in Harris County, right?
Yes.
And are you asking for standard visits with Mr. Calderon and Jonathan at your home for pickup and drop off?
Yes.
And how is your child covered under health insurance?
He has Medicaid right now.
And do you intend to keep that insurance for your child?
Yes.
And do you know where Mr. Calderon is employed?
No, I do not.
Does he have papers to work legally in the United States that you know of?
No.
So based on the fact that you don't know where he works or if he's even employed, are you asking the court to set child support at minimum wage?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order cash medical support to begin on January 1 in the amount of $57?
Yes.
And you agree to pay half of any bills that the insurance doesn't pay, is that right?
Yes.
And are
The
you
amount of
asking
child support?
the current child support, Ms. Perez, are you asking the court to set $219 beginning February 1 in current child support?
Yes.
And has Mr. Calderon ever provided direct financial support for his son?
Up to 3 years.
So beginning August 29th of 2020, would you say he stopped providing child support?
Yes, he stopped.
And are you asking the court to order back child support from August 29th of 2020 until today in the amount of $6,570?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Calderon pay $83 a month toward that judgment beginning February 1?
Yes.
And are you asking the court cost to bill court costs to Mr. Calderon?
Yes.
And have you reviewed and signed this order today?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness. Thank you, Ms.